everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. It is a little early, but I am already planning what I'm going to be buying from the store for Super Bowl Sunday. Are you having people over? Let's talk. So I think that I'm gonna head over to Walmart. I think I'm gonna wait for Paul. He wants to go with me because this is a tag team effort for sure. So the very first thing that I decided to do was write everything out because I don't want to keep making multiple trips to the store. So we are gonna have a few families over. Just the fram. So we're going to invite some people over, like I said, and also do some fun things too with Super Bowl. I am such a huge fan of Super Bowl ads and the halftime show. I don't even know who's playing, honestly, but I love Super Bowl food. So we do some very specific things that we have for just Super Bowl. Make some mott sticks, which I will show you how we're going to do that a little bit later in this video. And as soon as Paul gets here, we'll head to the store. All right, we are on our way to go to Walmart. Woo woo! Are you ready to go shopping?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. It's like our date night. We get to go shopping. Yeah. They have everything here. Okay, so we're looking for the Captain Crunch. Walmart has these really big sizes of cereal, so that's good. So it looks like after all, I'm gonna have to go to another store. So it is what it is. All right, we just got home and this is our Super Bowl grocery haul for the big game. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna show you, I made a very specific list and like I said, I still have to go to another store. Mostly because I am picking up some guacamole, my favorite guacamole from a Mexican meat market. I love it there. So I'm just gonna pick up the produce there as well. So the tomatoes, my Roma tomatoes and the lettuce, those are going to be toppings for a nacho bar, which I will unpack here. And then I'll tell you more what's on the menu. So a lot of this I'm going to try to prep Friday, Saturday, so that Sunday rolls around, things are done. So I am going to pre-bake probably the majority of these potatoes. So I am making potato skins. And I use the Pioneer Woman's recipe. It is so good. It's like a twice baked potato skin. Delicious and so easy to do. So you can bake these ahead of time, like the day before, and then when you're ready to go, you're just gonna slice them lengthwise and you're gonna put like the butter on the top to get it crispy and flipped it over, and oh, it's just so good, you guys. So the thing I'm gonna prep ahead of time is the bacon. So I'm gonna bake all of this. Let me know down below if you bake your bacon. I love doing that. And I will have some medium cheddar ready to go as a topping. And so they are so good. And I just hope there's leftovers so we can have them for the day after, maybe a couple days after. That would be amazing, but I won't be surprised when they're all gone. Let's keep going. All right, the next thing we are making is, we make it once a year, is the Captain Crunch cereal. Captain Crunch cereal. I can't say that right. But you guys, I'm just gonna smash up all of this cereal, keep them in the baggies. I'll do that also Friday or Saturday just to keep it all together. And I got more oil just to keep on hand. I have eggs and milk. Because what you do is you, do we need milk for this one? No. I do have milk, but maybe we'll add the milk to the leftover cereal if there's any. But what you do is you're just gonna put flour, have your chicken breasts cut into smaller sizes, or maybe if you already have them in tenderloin, they're ready to go. Then you're just gonna you're gonna coat it in the flour. You're going to then dredge it in the egg, the mixture with the egg, and then you're going to roll it in the cereal and fry it. So I like using a meat thermometer at when we use them, because just to make sure that middle is cooked all the way through, it's good to have. So 165, 170, and that is perfect. So we also make a sauce that goes with it. Let me know down below if you've ever been to Winger's restaurant. Now, I think they're nationally, but maybe I'm not so sure. But they have this like tangy, spicy, just delicious, like it's almost like a honey sauce looking. So it's pretty much this Red's hot sauce with some water and some brown sugar. We make it again when we have the Captain Crunch chicken. So it is perfect. So let's keep going. So Paul and I thought it would be super fun to try to make some mozzarella bites. So what we're gonna do is cut these into thirds and try it. So I'm gonna show you right now how that's going to turn out. I'm also going to make the sauce, the marinara sauce, but I still need to pick up some pesto. So that's also on my list. I hope I can get it all at one store. We'll see. So let me show you how to do that right now. All right, let's make some fresh mozz sticks. More like mozzarella bites. So let me show you what I have back here. Just quickly, some egg and milk, some flour with salt and pepper, and then some breadcrumbs that I added some, just a half of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, some Parmesan cheese, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go boom, 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 and into the fryer. So you can look up any recipe for this. That is just kind of what I was just throwing out there. And honestly, it says to, after you've dredged them and done all of that, to put it on the baking sheet and put it in the freezer for an hour. So this should be interesting. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, I have them here and they cook really fast. All right, these cook so fast. Look at that. Look at how quick that is. I'm just gonna kind of turn them every so often and then be done. Oh, they smell good. All right, time to enjoy. Is it hot? Yeah. Oh, is that good?
That was good.
Okay.
I disagree with the whole thing.
All right, here I'm gonna try. Oh, that is so good. Okay, that's like better than all the ones in the freezer section. So let me know what you thought of how that turned out. They tasted good. So we have some bottled water here and some sodas for the kids, plus some bottles for us as well. Now for Super Bowl, I am going to have the big pitcher of juice out, so that'll be really good. But I also picked up some of these. The kids really like them. I got cotton candy, tangerine, the coconut pineapple, all so good. Definitely need some cups. But I have here some candies and treats because we're gonna play some games when they're all here. I thought it would be fun to have like a, somebody who wins the first quarter, the second quarter, you know what I'm talking about. And so at the very end, they might get a certain kind of special treat with, this is sour cream that could be used for the potato skins, but I also use it when I make some frosting. So I'm gonna be making some yummy cookies for them to have to take home. So that will be great. But let me show you what I can out of the candies. These are Paul's favorite jelly beans, so he likes those. And you guys, I was so excited about finding. I got 5 of these boxes and they are gonna be for Mama. These are my favorites. These were only 98 cents, you guys, for a box of these. I think that's perfect. And they are so good. I mean, like, really good. But you have to like nerds and you have to like a chewy candy too. So, Let me know down below if you've ever had these. I just picked up Paul some almond milk. He definitely likes having that for breakfast, and we were totally out. Picked up some more butter. I use a lot of butter when I make those cookie recipes, so definitely need to keep that on hand. I picked up 3 bags of these tortilla chips, and I still have a couple more in the pantry. We're also going to be doing a little bit of a nacho bar, so that's why I have to get lettuce and tomatoes for the nacho bar as well. And I picked up 3 of these, just the 3 ground beefs to make some taco meat, just kind of a basic, just nachos, but I'm going to make this with some rotel as the cheese sauce. That'll be so good. And I also picked up 2 different kinds of salsas in case people don't want cheese sauce. So that will be super good to have on hand anyway. So that is it. Oh my goodness, we're gonna have so much fun when watching the Super Bowl. So let me know down below if you have some good go-to recipes that you wanna share with all of us as well. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye everyone.